Welcome back everyone. The project on hand right now is to put this ISO sound decoder in that locomotive. Let's get right into it. Some genius has glued in the seats, and underneath the seats you can see, maybe you can see, now you can see, there are the screws to disconnect the bottom piece to get to the speaker. So I will skip that part and leave the original speaker inside and just change to the ISO XLS5 decoder. Now that I've looked closer at this decoder, I realized it isn't the Rhb decoder, it's a wasn decoder. This is great because this could solve my problem, which I had. I wanted to give this locomotive the digital address of 200 and my friend wasn't able to program it. But now that we know it's a wasn decoder, we could try it again and I could spare myself changing this decoder and putting the ISO sound decoder into another locomotive. So let's talk to my friend and I will talk to you later on. Alright, since I discovered which kind of decoder is inside this model, my friend came over last night and tried to program it again, and you wouldn't believe it. It worked. So I will put this back together and this project is finished without doing anything. This is officially back together. It works like it used to, other than the digital address of 203. So I like that. Now I'm left over with a ISO sound decoder, which I will put in this nice locomotive. This is currently analog right out of the box, and we will put the ISO sound decoder in this engine right now. Alrighty, I'm done. Decoder, speaker, cap light, as well as some lights down here are installed. Let's put this locomotive back together and program it.